Today I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful decorative vase. What we need is one vase, rope, some fabric, round head fastener, scissors and hot glue gun. The first step, glue the end bit of the fabric. Place it at the bottom of the vase. You let it set. Next, twirling the rope around the vase. You do one round of this, flip this up, and continue the whole process of twirling the rope. Measure up the fabric, trim the excess, poke the fastener into the fabric, secure the fabric over the rope. So there you go guys, one of a kind decorative vase.